Mental health, mental health, mental health, mental health, mental health, mental health. My God, I'm tired. I've at least heard of this term 1,000 times by now. On social media, through friends, on different platforms. But stop right here. Do you exactly understand what mental health is? Do you really understand? Can you even define what mental health is? Take a moment and think about it. To be honest, even I clearly don't understand mental health on a very deep level. But to pull it out for you in very simple words, it's the way your mind gets affected by the way you think, by the way you feel, and the way you act. And most importantly, the way you deal with stress. So let's talk about a few things that I believe will help you coping up with your mental health, as it has helped me to cope up with my mental health. Stop beating yourself up and let go of whatever has happened. Maybe you just went through a breakup. Maybe you got cheated on. Maybe you cheated. Maybe you missed out on a huge business opportunity, or you missed out on a job that you were chasing from a very long point of time. Be it whatever. Is that overthinking? Is that beating up yourself on why did it happen to you going to do any good to you? It definitely is not going to do. Number two, keep yourself busy, because honestly, an idle mind is nothing less than a devil's workshop. Like, do you feel pressurized? Do you feel stressed? Do you interpret a lot of different situations in your mind which are never likely to happen in your life? Well, all this happens because you have a lot of free time in your hand. So keep yourself occupied. You do not have to be productive. Doing big stuff, no. Just keep yourself occupied. Be it playing your favorite sport, be it playing your favorite video game, or just relaxing with your friends. Just keep it. Number three, I believe you really have to cut out a few people from your life if required. It can be a friend, it can be anybody. It's not because they're bad people, it's just because they're no good to you at the moment. They're not healthy for you, at least in this phase of life that you're going through. Last but not the least, if you've been facing some serious mental health issue from a long period of time, please go see a therapist. It's two humans sharing a human experience. There's nothing weird about it. You might have your best friends for you all the time to listen to you and, share your feelings and stuff, which is great. But sometimes you really don't know on what alternative track are you walking on. Are you slightly into depression? Are you into ADHD? Are you into overthinking? Or are you into a serious level of anxiety? Or are you into post-traumatic stress disorder? Like, sometimes you just need a therapist, and it's just a conversation which can really get you a lot of clarity in life and how do you get out of this alternative track that you're walking on. One thing that I've understood, stress, anxiety, curiosity, overthinking, and a lot of other things are always going to be there. It's there right now, it's going to be there tomorrow, it's going to be there at every age in life. Only thing that you're going to take care is how you deal with it, how you're going to cope up with it, and how you manage these things in a better way. So these were my views on mental health, and keep one thing in mind, that mental health is normal. Tell that to that friend, tell that to that family member, and it is something, understand for yourself, it's going to be a part of your life. So go ahead and drop your views in that comment box below, and please do not forget to like and definitely share, especially to that person who needs to hear on mental health and feel a little better and bring a smile on his face.